Hi guys, in this video I will tell you how to do animation movies in mobile phone. Okay, for this you need a app called Platogun, which you can find in the Play Store. Please download the app and let's get into the video. Now open the app called the Platogun, and now if we download some files which are required for it to open. Now wait for some time, it is loading. Now wait for few seconds. Now you can create, I have already created some videos. Now click on the create a plot option, and as you can see, just click on the restaurant. You can select any type of free options like bedroom or moon or bathroom or TV, anything. You can select anything. Here I have selected this cubicle. It was just downloading. If we downloaded, we can select this cubicle. Now cubicle has been selected. We can set the characters. You can click on the characters already. Here you can create a new character. Here you can create a new character by selecting the face. You can select any face from this color also, and you can choose hair color or hair types and all these other options such as mustache or eyes, sweats, shirts and pants, etc. You can select all these types as you want. Now we're just selecting randomly to just show you how to create a character in Platogun. Okay, here some of them we have to pay, so just choose which are not we have to pay. Okay, here I selected one shirt, and here I selected a black pant which is free. And also you can select the name. You can give a name or shoes. Here I gave the name Johnny, and I just created a character. Johnny, click on the done button. The character has been created now. You can see Johnny in this. There is, we can create the character or delete the character or rename the character also. Now just come back and just select any two characters. One I choose Johnny, and the second one I have chosen is Jenny, which I have created already. And we can choose like right option or where you have to stand or where you have to sit and everything, like desk or empty desk or stand. These options will be beside of it. Now I just want to show you again how to select these resources. Again I choose the cubicle. So again I selected two characters. And now what you have to do, you just click on the message option and just create or select a character and type something. Hi, like here I type hi, how are you, and just come back. And if you click on the neutral button, there are certain actions like shivering, like angry or mood. You can select the mood, any mood you want. And click on the message option, and you can select Johnny. And here I am saying hi, I am fine. And you can again select the neutral option. Here you can see that there is a mic option on the sidebar. Here, as you are typing, you can record the voice also. To give your, if you want your own voice, you can give your own voice also. Okay. Here I'm just writing nice to meet you. That's it. And we can give any options like showing off any type of messages. If you don't give your voice also, it will automatically talk in English. But if you want your own voice, you can select this. Now this is the icon. You can select certain sounds. If you click on the bell icon, you can get fart sound or clumsy sound. You can select an applause sound, any type of sound. And if you click on the music option, you can get two types of sounds, sad or happy. You can include any sounds, sad or happy, and sad music or happy music. If you don't want that scene, you can just if you don't want this scene, you can just click on the intro option and it will be gone. So now let's come to the top and just play the video. As you can see, I am talking in the earphone, that's why sound is not available, but I will keep the video in the description, you can check it out. And just click on the render video, and if you want the video with subtitles, you can click on the video with subtitles. And if you don't want video with subtitles, just click on video without subtitles. It will automatically render the video, and after some time it will be finalizing the video, and you will get some options like Google Drive. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.